Greetings of the day, students. This video is all about how I cracked GATE without coaching. So, I am a PhD PMRF scholar studying in IUR, IIT Bombay. My name is Bhavya Gupta. What is GATE? It is an national level gateway for entrance examinations for MTech at top premier engineering institutes across India, also for the PSU recruitments, public sector undertakings, and it helps us in the conceptual understanding of the subject we already know. So be clear what the GATE exam is all about. Myth versus reality about the GATE exams. Myth is that coaching is necessary to crack the GATE, but it is not, because the reality is we can crack GATE through self study. There are few methods, like there are some standard test books, info study for mathematics, previous year questions, online recorded lectures or recorded lectures on some app, YouTube or any channel. So the thing is that you are not starting from zero. You are revising what you already know. What is the real strategy? Because coaching gives direction, but the discipline gives results. So these three matter more than any other coaching institute. What is it? Practice plus revision, mistake analysis, and exam temperament. So now the golden rule is practice, revise, and practice. Start with the basics. Study your fundamental concepts very clearly. Topic wise questions. Take out the syllabus of the GATE and prepare its topic wise questions. Most important is the previous year questions. Past 25 years previous year questions, you have done it, mastered it, that's done. Analyze your mistakes. Why? Because your mistakes are your personal coaching. All right. So identify and note each and every mistake, classify the errors, track in a notebook, review regularly whether are you improving or not with time. Some calculation mistakes, conceptual errors, silly mistakes, you have to take note of all this so that you don't do it during the exam, right? And the third pillar is the exam temperament. Master of giving an exam. First and foremost, time management. When do it before giving the exam also, you should manage your time. Question selection, which you think are your best achieving strengths and topics in the exam, do first those, and which you find it's difficult, keep it for the end. Stay calm and peace is important in exam also, not in daily life. So now build through practice. This is like, exam is not just a knowledge test, okay? It is how you are performing under the pressure. And lastly, we have mental strength and consistency. Stay consistent, not perfect. Imperfect will be fine, but you need to be consistent. Do not panic while you have preparation. Build discipline. Take breaks. You can, like weekly, you can keep one day off and do whatever you feel like doing. Do some leisure activity, your hobbies or anything, so that your mind is also fresh to study for the next week. Enjoy the preparation journey also. Don't miss out on some things and then you regret it. Means try to balance your life along with studying. That is like consistency beats intensity. Now let's see about the plan. How to plan and what you already know. I now have 3 months, 4 months to study. What all I can do in 3-4 months, and it is up to you. You know your capabilities. You can plan effectively for yourself. Only write those things which you know you can do in a day or a week. Don't get influenced by others that that person can study 8 hours and he can complete 2 subjects in one day, but you can only do one. It is your individual assessment. So keep your daily routine. Weekly cycle, means weekly cycle could be any some plan, like you will do some test or some, like one subject I will cover in a week. Means you should review your performance. Monthly review. Why is it important? Simple planning. Plan simple but execute strictly. Now, you have everything you need. Alright. So, what you don't need? Expensive coaching institutes, fancy study materials, thousands of reference books. Stick to any one reference book, one or two previous year question papers, your basic textbooks. That's enough. And what you do need is discipline, practice, and self belief. As your success is built on discipline, consistency, practice, and unwavering self belief. Not expensive coaching though. So, trust your preparation, stay calm, and give your best shot. Thank you, and you can do it because do check out my detailed how I managed everything, exams and life. With the link is in the description. Exam is about who studies right, not about who studies more. You already have the knowledge. Now you just need direction, discipline, and belief. Thank you. That's for the day.